Welcome to our channel. Let's unlock your knowledge with Tally Unlock.
In this video, you will learn how to add and maintain stock information in Tally. Consider the following business scenario. So this business intends to maintain its stock information like availability of stock. They would want reports on queries like how many i5 laptops are available in store. So Tally has those capabilities where it can filter out products based on its features. So if a dealer is selling televisions and the dealer would like to know how many 55 inches televisions are available or how many 65 inches televisions are available or of what kind of televisions are available, whether LCD or LED, so he can filter out those results in Tally. So to obtain such results, we need to set up few things in Tally. So we need to create the stock items, that is the product itself, and we need to create the groups and categories of the products. Stock groups and stock categories are important concepts in Tally, and you are going to learn everything about it in a short while. So to demonstrate all those capabilities, we are going to use this business scenario. The business deals in buying and selling of the following items. So it sells laptops, desktops, printers and ink cartridges. And the business sells those items from the following brand which are given on the screen. The HSN code related to these items is 8471 and these items attract GST of 18%. So the products, laptops, desktops, printers and ink cartridges can be considered as line of products that the business has to offer. So this was some information related to the business and the product it deals with. So these are not actual products, these are just line of products. We are going to define actual products like Lenovo ThinkPad and Dell XPS and so on based on this information. But before we define stock items in Tally, we need to define its units by which it can be measured. For example, when you sell laptop, you sell them in units, like we sold 5 laptops. So we can say that we sold 5 units of laptop. We purchased 10 units of laptops. So we need to define those units first in Tally. And there could be different type of units depending upon the type of the business. For example, a dealer selling cement would define units like kilograms or bags because that is the relevant type of units by which he can measure the quantity of his stock. So for electronic items like laptops, printers and desktops, these can be measured in units and ink cartridges can be measured in pieces. So we are going to create two units. One is called as pieces and another is called as units. So how do we create these units in Tally? Let's find out. So we are required to create the following stock units for the given items. Laptops, desktops and printers would be counted in units and ink cartridges would be counted in pieces. I am also going to sell pack of 3 ink cartridges which will be measured in pack. Now let's define the units in Tally. So before creating units in Tally, we will first enable GST in Tally. To enable GST, press F11 key and select statutory and taxation and change the option enable goods and services tax to yes and press enter, and change the option set or alter GST details to yes and press enter. Here you need to provide GST related details about your business like the state in which it is registered, the type of registration, whether regular or composition, and you need to provide your GSTN over here. and you can fill the details accordingly depending upon the type of your business. So after entering all those information, press Ctrl A and press Ctrl A again. So now GST is enabled in your Tally.
Thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe our channel.